Hello.
Hi, Neetu. Am I audible to you?
Yes, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you. Where are you from, Neetu?
I'm from Lucknow.
Lucknow. Wow. Okay. And after the demo, what number of session is this of yours?
This is my after subscription. It is my second session.
Second session. Okay,
Yes,
okay. So, how did your previous session go? Was it good?
it was very good. Yes.
All right. Okay. So, what did you talk about in your last session?
In my last session, I'm talking about. I was
I
talking about.
talked
I talked self discipline in the topic
self-discipline.
self discipline.
All
Yes.
right. All right. Okay. So, what do you do exactly?
Exactly, I am preparing for teaching examinations and many other examinations, but especially for the teaching examination.
So, which subjects are you going to be teaching?
I am going to be teach English.
English. All
Yes.
right. Lovely. Okay. 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 So, do you follow any English web series or any movies?
No, currently I'm not following any web series or any movies.
Movies.
I lack of time for this because
Right. 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 Okay. So you must be busy with your household chores also, and with your teaching exams preparations also. So you must be not getting the time.
yes, and
Right.
I when I get time, some I used to study.
Such a busy person. When you get time, you study. That's right. Okay. So, earlier, have you watched any English movies like before?
No, I haven't watched any English movie.
Mhm. All right. All right.
I
Okay.
can't.
So, what is your complete day? What do you do in your complete day routine?
One minute. My
It's
day
okay.
routine is that when I wake up early in the morning and I
Mhm.
start doing household works, and after completing, I have two kids also, so I have lots of work. And
Yes, absolutely.
after that, and when I got time in the 11 to 12 p.m.,
When I get time,
when I get time, I studied for 1.5 hour, and after that
you
I'm
study.
going for lunch. And after taking lunch and giving and
Serving food to everyone else.
serving food to everyone, I I came for study again. And in the evening, I feel again go to when it was the tea time. I prepared. I make tea for everyone, and after that I prepared dinner. And at last in the night, I was some tea. Spent some time with my family, and after that I studied and before sleeping.
You don't take rest like in your whole day. You don't rest at all.
When I got time between, I take rest. I've in these days, because in the cold it was too cold. It was very short day for me.
Yes, yes. During the winters, we have short days, right?
Yes,
So,
yes,
like, you don't really get to know where exactly your entire day passes away.
yes,
It's
yes,
like you were doing this work,
exactly.
and the moment you know, the evening has passed. Yes, yes.
Yes.
True, true, true. Great. Okay. So, in your free time, you're saying that all the time you study and you're doing household work and everything else. So, how many members you have in your
The
family?
days were, yes, my schedule was very busy like this. I used to do some other works also, but now when exams come, I only studies and do my household works.
Oh, God.
I
Okay.
focus on studying. Yes.
You go out? Do you go out for a walk or buying groceries or something like that for the change of weather? Do you
Some
go out?
sometime I have to go, but sometime my husband bring everything.
Yes, yes, yes. Right, right. Okay. So, how many people are living with you right now? How many people are there?
Right now we are 9 members in my family, but but at present my sister-in-law and brother-in-law and his kid was not he was
Not here. Okay, okay.
not here. So we four and two, we are 6 members now.
Right, right. So, please don't tell me you're the only person who prepares food for all these six people. Nobody helps you?
My husband helps me a lot, and other family members helps me a lot very much.
Right,
Even
right,
my
right.
sister-in-law also doing all the work with me, but
Work.
she's not at present with me,
Here right
so
now.
I
Right,
have to
right.
do only.
Right. Because the moment you said you have two kids, I could realize your pain that there would be so much of work for you to do.
No, I
Like
don't feel
from
so low. It was when I feel it was just I do my work with enjoyment. I did never take tension
take it
from.
as a burden or take it as
I
something
don't.
that I have to do. That's why I'm doing. No, I take it because it is
Yes, it
something
is
that's
very.
required out of me.
Did my work very fluently and very. Uh, my studies are also going with my household work, and everything is going on. My even I can say my all the family members are very supportive, and so that I never feel burden, and they helps
Yes,
me a lot in my studies and
yes.
everything.
That is actually very important, right? When you don't have the right surroundings, then your mindset is also not right, and you don't feel like doing anything. But when your members are supportive, they're cooperative, then you think that you can do everything.
Yes, I feel like that I can do
Absolutely.
everything.
Right, right. So you've been preparing for this exam, teaching one for how long?
One examination was clear, and the interview is on 4th February, and other will be maybe after 2 or 3 months, after conducted after
Okay,
two
okay.
or 3 months.
Right. So have you been able to find out the areas where you have to work or you think you are a little weak in these areas while speaking in English? Have you
Yes,
identified with those areas?
yes, I feel I'm weak in speaking. I think I am working for I am I work a lot on my grammar and vocab, but when it come to speak, I feel I don't know what I feel. I feel lack of confidence. I think it is lack
That
of
is lack of practice, Neetu. That is
lack of
actually lack
practice.
of practice. Yes, because say if you are fluent in your language, you are speaking daily with someone or the other, you feel connected with the language, right? And that is how your confidence builds up. But if you are I'm guessing you speak in Hindi, like in your household and every day, Hindi is your mother tongue, right?
Yes,
Same here. So Hindi is like our mother tongue, and this is the language that we follow continuously, right? So we are not going to face any difficulties while speaking in Hindi, right?
yes,
But
yes,
so the thing is, it happens with English also. If you're going to make English your everyday language and you are making it a part of your daily routine, you won't feel this fluency issue, this confidence issue at all. Okay,
yes,
so all you need is keep talking. The more you're going to talk, the better you're going to become. And one advice from my side would be, even if you think you're speaking wrong, right, like you're not getting the right words and maybe you think that I'm about to speak a wrong sentence, so I would say whatever it is, don't stop yourself from talking. Okay,
yes,
do talk. Talk with confidence. Whatever you have to speak, speak it out loud and with confidence. Don't keep yourself held back. Okay, this is my advice. This is from my side. That is how I have learned the language and how I have, come up to this point where I can give advice to others. So this is my advice from my side, that please don't stop yourself from talking. Even if
yes.
you're talking wrong or you think that these words are not correct, that's absolutely fine. But what you have to say, just say it with confidence.
Yes, I feel so. But if the sentence is not formatting in my mind, then I feel how I will speak. If the if nothing is come
Happen.
in my mind, then how will I speak? And if I will speak, someone will make fun of
Fun of
me. And
me. Yes, yes.
yes,
No, no,
this
no.
type of.
Please don't think that. Because, this way you are only stopping yourself from talking and you're actually bringing down your confidence.
No, yes,
Right?
for some days, and uh, we- I think for 2 or 3 days I start thinking in English, and I always used to think in English, and always I try to speak in English, and my son is also helping me a lot. He's 10-year-old, and I used to speak to him because no one the environment is not
Yes,
like that.
yes, 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 yes.
Yes, to whom I will speak at home. So that's why I am joining Clapping Go to practicing to learn something from you all. and
See, this is
you all
the
are doing
basic.
very good job.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. See, this is the basic theme actually behind the app, because you are saying that you're not getting the environment to talk in this language, right? So every day you have one speaker who you can talk to in this language, right? So in this way, you will have a routine. You'll have a practice of talking in this language on a daily basis. So in no time, your this language will also become like a part of your routine. Okay, just like Hindi, we have to make English also your everyday language so that you don't face any trouble while talking.
Yes.
Okay, so for your interviews also, I would say whatever you are trying to say, just say it with confidence and don't think that you might be speaking wrong.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, all right. So I would like to ask you if there are any concepts that you want clearance on. You can ask me. I'll clear it out for you.
I think every concept is in book and copies. I have brought written down everything in my copy. I know the
Wow.
uses of every grammar parts. Even I am preparing for TCT English, so my teacher taught me everything. But when it comes to practice, I forgot. I forgot to use that particular rule at the
I forget. I forget.
proper place.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yes,
I
that
don't
is
forget. It doesn't
see,
come in
that
my
is
mind at
because
that time.
you are not having the right practice. You're not having the right people to talk to. Yes, you're
Yes.
very right. Your concepts are clear. You know everything about tenses. You know conjunction, preposition, nouns. You know everything. The
Yes.
only thing that you need is to talk, because
Yes.
you're not
Yes. Only
having
my
that
need is that.
environment.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, exactly. So the thing is that you just need someone who you can talk to daily, and when you are into this habit of talking daily, your concept would, eventually they will start falling into place. You will get to know, okay, I have studied tenses, so this is how it has to be formed, and this is how it has to be spoken.
Yes.
So your formats, they gradually fall into place. No problem.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yes. So if you have any questions, you have any doubts, you can ask me.
How to? I have some doubts regarding my interview. Then
Yes,
how
yes,
will
please.
I face? Because the interview will conduct it in English, and I am practicing, but sometime I felt that if I will not able to speak, then what will I do? But I will try my best.
See, with if you are going for an interview, you're going to be sitting in front of strangers, right? You won't be knowing those people. You don't know them. They are just random interviewers of yours. So this is like one point. This point we are going to strike it out, all right? Because you are talking to strangers here on one-on-one basis, right? So this fear will be taken away. It is like you're talking to strangers every day here, so
Yes.
you won't have trouble while talking to them because it will be the same for you. You have this habit of talking to us on a daily basis, right?
Yes,
That
that's
is one
why
point
I'm
that we have
joining.
covered.
Yes, that's my
That's
concern.
one point we have covered. Yes, yes,
Yes,
absolutely.
because sometimes we know and we can speak with our family members, but it comes to strangers, we
Strangers.
can't able to speak.
We're not able to. Yes, yes. We don't get that
Even we can't.
comfortable with
But
strangers also.
sometimes I feel that when I started, I continue it, but it is very difficult to start. How to start? How will I manage the things if it will be? It will continue for a long time. Am I able to speak? But I think
Yes, yes.
slowly it
Don't
will.
worry about it. You think that once you are accommodated with that person, you will speak fine. But
Yes,
the problem is initiating that conversation
yes,
when you
yes,
have to speak for the very first time. See, that problem will also go away. And don't think that, once I start and once I get into this language, I am learning bit by bit. So, how will I speak when it comes to speaking to the person one to one or face to face? Don't think like that. Okay, because once you have started talking in this language, you are getting into this habit, it won't be a problem. Just like Hindi, this language will also become like your everyday routine or everyday language
even yes. Even I will not able to speak before some days for a two line.
for a
I
few
know
days. I
everything.
will not be able
Yes,
to. Yes,
yes, but now I think I feel confident. Sometimes I feel confident. Sometimes I thought that how will I attend the
That's
session,
what
but
we need. This is exactly what we need. That you have to speak with confidence, right? Because see, I would say this is my experience that all you need is confidence. Like once you get the confidence to talk, your language, your words, they automatically fall into place. That's what
sometimes
I
I
have
feel a
experienced.
lack of vocabulary also. Sometimes, but that were very easy. But that was not come on time in my mind, and they come after some time in my mind.
See, that happens. And see, this is a suggestion. I know you don't get much time, but I would really advise you to follow some web series or English movies. Even if you don't get like the time to watch a full movie, I would say 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Please do definitely take these 10 minutes out of your busy schedule so that you can follow one episode at least every day.
Yes, I can do. I can do it also, but I don't want to watch. But because I want my consume that time on other work, so that's why I'm not consuming my time in movies and as
Yes, yes. You're not
because
giving this time to web series or movies because you think you might be able to do something productive at that time.
yes,
I know,
I
I know.
used to watch particular sometimes a particular serials with my family for half an hour, but
Not
in
in Hindi, not in
but
Hindi,
yes,
English one.
yes. So that serials we watched with my family. That's why it was in Hindi. But I have to I have
Yes,
to watch
yes,
in
yes.
English. Yes,
Yes, yes, yes. So yes, if you have to watch it in English, you have to watch it alone. No doubt.
yes,
You
I have
cannot
to
watch it
watch
with
it.
family. Yes, yes, yes. But it is like, pronunciation practice, sentence practice, it really helps. So it is
Yes,
just a listening practice you can have and the speaking practice comes here.
yes.
Right?